So I'm here with the Victor 2 that you've seen in some of the videos, and was looking at the governor on it. And this is a machine I actually bought where someone had already done some work on it. And as you can see, the springs run down now. This is the direction it goes right here. But as you can see, one of the governor springs has been replaced. Can you see which one it is? And if you've seen the videos of this machine running, you know it regulates okay, but it could be better. So I was looking at the springs here, and this is the good spring off of, this is the good spring off of the Victor 4. And if we look at the springs here, that's the spring that's odd. And there's an original spring there. See, it's just a touch wider than the other spring. So, anyway, they're the same length though. They're the same size spring. So I'm going to order 2 sets of 3 springs and replace all the springs on both of these motors so that they'll have a matched set. And for those of you that haven't seen, this machine is earlier. It uses a slotted winding handle instead of the thread-on style. That's about as much as I can do one-handed. I mean, the regulation isn't bad with that mismatched spring, but I bet you the motor could be a lot quieter if the springs were all matched. So, as I've said in the other video, I'm looking at all my old mainsprings and things, I don't have any spring material on hand that's the right dimensions. I could order some, but by the time I go through the hassle of ordering material, I might as well just go ahead and order a set of springs from Ron Sitko. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is why on these machines with the bullet brakes, you never break them just by throwing off the brake. You always slow the motor down. In this case, I rub on the record because the rim on this turntable is in nice shape, and I don't want to wear it with my finger. You slow it down, and then shut it off. Because if you just have it running and do that, that's what breaks the governor springs. So, alright, thanks for watching.